Today, I'm putting my trading skills to the test by trying to stick to these 3 golden rules and see if I can avoid losing money. Trading, it's a world where fortunes can be made and lost in the blink of an eye. And if you're new to trading, it can be overwhelming. You're constantly bombarded with tips, strategies, and systems that promise to make you rich quick. But the truth is, trading is a journey, not a destination. And to succeed, you need to have a solid foundation, a set of rules that guide your every move. One of the biggest challenges traders face is emotional control. Fear and greed are the enemy of every trader, and it's easy to get caught up in the moment and make impulsive decisions that lead to financial disaster. I've seen it time and time again. Traders who are so convinced they're right, they stake their entire account on one trade only to watch it blow up in their face. And then there are those who let fear take over, closing their trades too early and missing out on potential profits. Another common mistake traders make is not doing their due diligence. They don't take the time to properly research a trade, they don't set clear goals, and they don't have a solid plan in place. It's like building a house on shaky ground. It may look good on the surface, but it's only a matter of time before it all comes crashing down. And let's not forget about over-leveraging, using too much margin and taking on way too much risk. It's a recipe for disaster, and one that can lead to financial ruin. So, what's the solution? How can you avoid making these common mistakes and ensure a successful trading journey? That's where the 3 golden rules come in. Simple yet powerful principles that can help you avoid financial losses and achieve consistent profits. The first golden rule is to never trade impulsively. This means taking a step back, assessing the situation, and making a rational decision based on facts, not emotions. It's easy to get caught up in the heat of the moment, but impulsive trading is a surefire way to lose money. Take a deep breath, slow down, and think things through. Remember, a good trade is one that's based on logic, not emotion. The second golden rule is to always set clear goals and risk management strategies. This means determining what you're trying to achieve with each trade and how much you're willing to risk to get there. It's about being realistic, being honest with yourself, and being willing to adapt when things don't go according to plan. By setting clear goals, you'll be able to stay focused, avoid impulsive decisions, and achieve consistent profits. The third and final golden rule is to continuously educate yourself and refine your skills. Trading is a constantly evolving landscape, and to stay ahead of the game, you need to stay informed. Read books, attend seminars, join online communities, do whatever it takes to improve your knowledge and skills. This doesn't mean you have to become an expert overnight, but rather that you're committed to continuous learning and improvement. I remember one trader I met who was struggling to make ends meet. He was constantly trading on emotion, making impulsive decisions that led to financial losses. But then he discovered the 3 golden rules, and everything changed. He began to trade with a clear head, making rational decisions based on facts, not emotions. He set clear goals, managed his risk, and continuously educated himself. And the result? He went from losing money to making consistent profits. So what can we learn from this trader's success story? It's simple. By following the 3 golden rules, you can avoid financial losses and achieve consistent profits. It's not a magic formula, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's just good old-fashioned trading sense. In conclusion, the 3 golden rules are the foundation of a successful trading journey. They're simple, yet powerful principles that can help you avoid financial losses and achieve consistent profits. So remember, never trade impulsively, set clear goals and risk management strategies, and continuously educate yourself and refine your skills. By following these rules, you'll be well on your way to trading success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.